I wanted to thank Land Helmets for sponsoring this video, sending us this different helmets to look at. Anyhow, there'll be a link in the description below where you guys can get a discount and it'll help our channel out. Today we're doing something a little bit different. There's a company called Land Helmets that sent us some of their product over, including some helmets and components that fit on their helmets. So what they asked me to do is have a look at it and tell me what I thought of it. So what we're going to do today we're going to work on this Arbor Kit. It's a limited edition. It's an AeroPro helmet. So we're going to open it up, have a look at it. And what we have the opportunity is in time to use these helmets in the tree. Later, I'll let you know more on how I feel about the helmet. Anyways, today we're going to dig on this one. Let's get to it. So this is the AeroPro, and this box here it's an Arbor Kit, they call it. What comes with this is a helmet. It has 3 replaceable sweat pads, also earmuffs, and a face shield. That's a real cool deal. So I'm going to open it up and pull out what comes with it. Here are 3 replaceable sweat pads. And we have the AeroPro. Now this is a Type I Class C helmet. Type 1 means it's good for protection on the top of the head, not so much on the side. And the C is for general use. It looks like a pretty solid helmet. Noticing that right away it has like a suspension on it, which is pretty cool. And then it has a regular style of a clip, like just a snap in, snap off. It looks like it's pretty much nice. It has some accessory. I mean, these things for like putting like belts or things, like if you have like a headlamps, these like slip in. It has those little vents for earmuffs. And also there's these little side vents that you can open and close. And also there's a vent in the back. It looks pretty it looks like a nice solid helmet. Also, the Land earmuffs come with it. Now these are the earmuffs that have the wire. Sometimes these are really nice because they really stay stuck on your head nice. So they look like they're a good quality. I'll open them in a minute. And then the next thing that comes with it is a face shield. And this looks like a screen face shield. So what I'll do next is I'll probably put some of these on and then we'll look at it when it's a whole piece. I really haven't put one of these on yet, so I'll give it a try and tell you how I'm feeling. Some people really like a suspension and it's nice to have it. They also have another one that has the foam. A lot of times I'll use a foam because I'm bald and it's feels good on me, but the suspension is really nice for more aeration. So I'll put this on. So you got the ratchet in the back. You just adjust it to the tightness of your head, which feels pretty good. And then this regular snap. And then you just pull. Oh, pretty nice. I really like the way these are already set. And some helmets, I've had difficult time setting them up. And right now it feels about right. Like with that ratchet in the back and this strap, how easy it is just to tighten right here. That was really pretty nice. First impression here, it's really nice. It holds on my head pretty darn good. And in time, I'm going to know more about it. Anyhow, I hear that these are pretty modular and there's a lot of things that you can do that you can replace. Like even some of the straps that are here, you can replace. The ratchet's replaceable. And some of the components like face shield. Also, this one has a mesh shield, but there's a pin here that if you buy the face shield, it's like glasses, you can change it out to that instead. So also it is pretty lightweight. When I had it on my head, it's not really that heavy. So that's another plus. Anyhow, there's lots of different options with these. So next, I'll see if I can work on putting the face shield on the helmet. So here we have the face shield. It's one of the mesh ones. So I'll take it out and then we'll see if I can install it. So yeah, so you want to put these arms back and then this piece goes right up in here. So you want to lift it, put it in, and now they have these 2 on the either side. You got these 2 little levers you got to maneuver into place. So I'll push it down. Oops, push it down, push it down, push this one down. That was fairly simple. They got to go to the other side, pop them in, and then you just kind of push them down. Not bad. Not too hard. This is brand new, so everything's a bit stiff. But anyways, that's how it looks like once you got it on. And now let me get those earmuffs here. I think in order to put these on the helmet, you have to have these earmuffs in place. So I'll open them up. I really like these earmuffs that have the wire. But I don't work near electrical, so I mean that's okay. But I think they look pretty well made. Anyhow, so what you want to do is you want to pop this up and rotate it. See if it pops. It pops. Well, I don't want to do it. It's so brand new, it's kind of stiff. So what I did is I'm rotating them up. So when I put them on the helmet, they're going to face up. And then there's this little this slot right here where this is going to fit into. Now I'm told that if you don't like earmuffs and you want a face shield like this, that you can buy a piece. It looks exactly like this, but it doesn't have the muff on it. And so in order for this shield to be on here on this AeroPro, you definitely have to buy that. Now this kit comes with the earmuffs, so it's like a good deal, I think. So to put the muff on, you just get it up here and you slide it in, snap it in place. It doesn't matter either side. There's no right or left. So either one is, either side is fine. You get it, you slide it in and pop it in place. Super quick to do. And from there, now what you'll do is get the visor and slide it in the slots. So now that I got the earmuffs in, I'm going to place the face shield in. And all you got to do is get this little piece and then slide it in. And when you slide it in, you want to make sure it goes all the way in and to the end. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to face it toward me because it's a little bit hard to do it from that side. A little bit stiff. And now I'm going to get the other side and do the same to the other side. Try to show you. Push it in. Boom. Now, there you go. All the way in. And so, there you have it. Face shield lifts. Put your earmuffs down. Let me try it with the ear. I gotta give this a try. Hang on. All right, cool. It's really light without the extra earmuffs and all that. But let's see. All right, put the face shield down. Got the earmuffs. All right. Nice. Flips right up. Easy snap off and back on. Now what's good is this does have the ANSI rating and an ISE rating. So these are proper for the field. Well, so far my take on this helmet, it's really nice. The fact that it's modular, and it means that a lot of things are replaceable and is replaceable in an easy way. That's a huge thing. So you got like the face shield could be replaced, the earmuffs, and even some of these straps can be replaced. What's really cool is the ratchets, easy to replace. Well, I can't tell you that it's super easy because I haven't done it yet, but I hear that it's easy to replace. The feel of this is high quality. I really am happy about that. Also, talking about some of the replacement things, what's cool about this Arbor Edition kit, or this Arbor Kit Edition, is that they give you these sweatbands, which is huge because a lot of times when you're working in the field, your helmet after say like a month, it's not really that great smelling. And the fact that this kit gives you 3 extras, plus you have the one on here inside, and then you got 3 extra sweatbands, is pretty darn cool. And the fact that it's easy to replace, that means you don't have to wait till it's like really stank. But yeah, that's a real nice deal. What's really even better, this whole kit is about 140 bucks. Really nice. It seems like high quality. Like I said, I haven't used it in the field, but when I put this on, these earmuffs right now, brand new, they really hold a lot of the sound away. So it's nice. And honestly, when I was trying it on, it feels really good, easy to set up. It wasn't shaky on my head. Even with the extra weight, once I put it on, it feels pretty nice. I will know more later once I try it out and I use it for some time. But my first impression of this helmet, this Arbor Kit edition, is really nice. It's an AeroPro helmet by Land Helmets. I think this is a real good deal, and I'm looking forward to using it out in the field and see what I tell you later. Another real cool thing about these helmets, the AeroPro helmet, is that it comes in 12 different colors. It even has a carbon fiber print. You can look into that. I don't know all the different colors, but that is also an option. So my final thoughts on this AeroPro helmet, this AeroPro helmet kit, it's a real nice quality helmet with all these components, and a real good price. And I think it'd be a good starting helmet. And even not just the starting helmet, but I think even people in the field would probably like something like this. It's pretty inexpensive and it looks like it's good quality. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like what we do, and by all means share our videos. Take care. We'll see you next time.